Hey guys, recently I bought a new camera and after taking a couple of videos with it I realized I really badly needed a microphone. So I did a bit of research and then finalized on this one. So let's start unboxing it. This is the paperwork which I don't need anyway, and then there is a pouch. This is the warranty card, which I am pretty sure no one will use because you need to pay for the shipping and ship it to their address. Now let's look inside the pouch. This is the microphone with its 6-meter long cable. Here you can see a switch to turn on the camera mode or the microphone mode. Here's the actual microphone. This is a tag, I don't know what to do with it. The pouch looks to be of good quality. It has a battery and the clothing clip, and the big audio jack connector. Let's insert the battery first. Here you can see a cloth tag which helps you to take out the battery really easily. So make sure to put it inside and then put the battery, otherwise it is very hard to take out the battery. Now it's quite easy, you just have to pull the tag like this. Now let's put it back. Now let's attach the clip and then the pop filter. So yeah, that's it. If you found this video useful, please do like and subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.